Hello everyone, let's start our today's trading without wasting time. All currency pairs with the most optimal character of movements and interest on payments I have already analyzed and selected. The selection you can see in front of you, and having analyzed the movement for today, I realized that my main reference point today will be this trend. And I have selected the appropriate indicators for today's trade. It's weighted moving average with a period of 15, fractal with the default settings, and CCI oscillator with a period of 10. I use the strategy quite often as it's convenient when trading on the trend or against the trend. So here today we'll be guided by the local highs and lows and watch the oversold and overbought areas as usual, and of course watch our sliding line. So actually I think there should be no questions. Today I have a qualitative and detailed analysis, so I will be absolutely sure in each of my open trades. And let's start with a trade of $750, and I will pick the first currency pair. Okay, pretty strong downward volumes on this currency pair right now prevail. And the section of the price movements, so I will open a deal against the trend direction. I will pick a point probably, this level of opening will suit me. I think that the further dynamics of the movement should go up. As I said earlier, quite strong downward price movement volumes were present here. Local minimum formation should take place here, and the upward volumes should appear. After all, the dynamics pullback should always occur, and I think also here the exit from the oversold area on the oscillators should occur too. So in this case I'm open the deal for an increase. Okay, let's watch the results of the first trade.
Crypto without stress. Get accurate trading signals and start earning today. Subscribe to our bot and take action.
And the first trade closed in the plus. Okay, even one candle was enough. In general, the correct timing of opening the trade, and I closed the trade in plus. Okay, let's change the amount of wallets of the trade. We'll change it to $699 and continue trading. I'll open two trades for the full amount of my balance. Let's begin. And here I'm going to open two trades on the upside in the direction of the actual trend. I think that the exit up here 100% should happen. Here I can see there's a pullback of the dynamics up to the moving average, and in general everything is happening so far. I'll wait for just a small upward exit, and it will be enough for me to close these two trades in plus. Here there's only trend orientation, and as I said earlier, according to this price pullback, local minimum should be formed here, and further dynamics of the movement should be updated at several levels higher at the local maximum, and the movement should go up. Okay, here's such a relatively interesting entry, and so what? And one of the trade unfortunately closed in minus. I don't really understand this downward impulse right now. Okay, then we will change the amount of trade value, and I will change to $630, and I will open two trades for the amount of $1,260. So let's fix the result. I will try to find a more detailed entry now. Let's continue and pick up the next currency pair. And here again it's actually a good opening of trades on the downside, but I'm guided here by the formation of a local maximum, which should happen because there was a pretty good price pullback. Then also guided by the oscillator moving line. It's in the overbought area, so I also expect that there should be an exit, and in this case I open trades on the downside. Okay, what's the result? We have about 20 seconds to close the trades.
If you want to see real success stories and learn how others are winning with binary options, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group. Links are in the description.
And the trades cloth in plus. Great. In general, good result for today. I confirmed my judgment on this trade, and in general I'm satisfied with the result of today's trade. Let's go to the conclusion. The amount of today's profit will be approximately $1,600. Withdrawal operation is successfully executed. This is a trade we have today with the use of these indicators. In one trade, of course, a little bad luck. Showed a sharp impulse down and I closed the deal in the minus, but still did not give up. Opened a few more trades and in general recorded an excellent profit. For today, the results of trading completely satisfied. So let's proceed to our today's trades. All currency pairs with the most optimal character of movement and interest on payments I have already analyzed in PTab. Today we have OTC market, and this means inside stock quotes are present on brokers, and all currency pairs have high payout percentage, and this is a great opportunity to earn more money for the same amount of deals. And of course I always take advantage of this moment. So today we have an alligator, a zigzag with absolutely false settings for this broker, and CCA oscillator with a period of 10. Today will be around on the trend to look for the formation highs and lows, and to be guided by the moving line of my oscillator. Actually, I suggest to start with the trades of $300. Each trade I will try to explain in detail, so I think there should be no questions. So let's get started, and I will pick up the first currency pair. And probably here I will try to open the first down trade. I open it after updating the local maximum on the zigzag. Here I oriented on the moving line of the oscillator, and I think that after this update the first dynamics should go down, and also we have an oscillator in the overbought area. I think that it should go down as well, so that's why I decided to open a down trade here. I didn't follow the alligator, and maybe that was one of my mistakes. The trade could probably close in the negative. But okay, let's see the result. Guys. And the first trade unfortunately closed in the negative. I should have paid attention to the crossing of the moving lines of the alligator. That was probably my mistake. I'll try not to do that from now. Okay. Let's continue trading, and I will pick up the next currency pair. I'll open a deal for the full amount of my balance. Here I see that the first dynamics of the movements I have to go up if we talk a general way. So let's highlight the working area. Here I have necessarily analyzed the trend correctly and realized that we had a price correction. The price was going down. Earlier the trend dynamics was upward. Updated the price minimum and rushed upwards all the moon lines in my case also direct upwards. This said about the sign of an upward trend in this case. And after a small pullback in the dynamics, I open a trade in the continuation of the trend. Okay, let's see the results of the second trade. There are about 10 seconds left. And the second trade is closing plus, good. So I will reopen the trade for the full amount of my balance to go into a good profit on the trade for today. Here's a cut wasn't so difficult. In general, in the next minute ahead, the dynamics went up and closed the trade in plus. Let's take some more interesting entry and I will pick up the next currency pair. And here I will also open a deal to increase the price after updating the local minimum. I haven't updated the local maximum on the zigzag. In the section of the movements, price doesn't have any kind of directions. For the most part, flat dynamics, and here are my rent as I said on the update of the local minimum. And I think this local maximum should be updated and the dynamics of the movement should be to go up. So here I also absorb a bounce from the oversold area on the oscillator. So in this case, on the upside, I have a deal open. Look at the results. There are about 15 seconds left until the end of this deal. And the third trade is closed in plus. Great. Let me change the amount of the value of the trade again. I'll put $568 and open 2 trades for the full amount of my balance to come out in a profit that I'm really satisfied with. Now I will look for a more detailed trade entry as the amount isn't small. Okay, let's continue and I will pick up the following currency pair.
Want to earn on Creeps but don't know where to start? Our bot is your personal trader 24/7. Forecasts, signals and strategies all in one place.
And let's try to open 2 down trades here. Most likely the upward dynamics should actually continue and fall through to this price highs. But I think because there was a sharp upward momentum in the last leg of the move, a little bit of a pullback in dynamics I think should happen, and 2 trades we should close in the plus. Here I also have a formation of a local maximum on the zigzag. It's obvious, and also the moon line is in the area of overbought. Now it's in the value around 200. So a small pullback I think should happen. 10 seconds to close the trades. Watch the results. One, and the trades are closing in plus. Great, guys, great. After all the pullback of dynamics happened, my analysis was absolutely correct and the trades closed in plus. Excellent. I'm satisfied with the result. I'll fix the profits as I promised, and let's go to the conclusion. Today's profit will be 1,581. Okay, good. Withdrawal operation is successfully executed. This is how today's trading turned out on OTC market. In general, the results of trade absolutely satisfied me. So if you still have any questions, you can ask me anything in the Telegram. The link will be in the description under the video. So good luck on trading and have a nice day.